found herself at the center of online criticism as the glamorous Mpisane family empire seems to crumble. Once praised for her soft life as Andile Mpisane's wife and Mam Mkhize's daughter-in-law, Tamia is now facing harsh comments from social media. Many believe she married into a family for wealth, only to watch SARS and legal troubles chip away at that very fortune. From the auctioning of Mam Mkhize's luxury vehicles to royal AM being seized, the empire's decline is now playing out publicly. What's making things worse is that many see Tamia as trapped in a nightmare scenario. Married to Andile, often mocked online as child husband, and now a mother of 2 daughters, she's become a symbol of how quickly a fairy tale marriage can turn sour. Some fans feel sorry for her, noting that she's already sacrificed her dignity by allegedly being arrested while defending her in-laws. Others, however, have no sympathy, claiming she chose the money and now must face the fallout. Personally, I think Tamia's story is both sad and eye-opening. While it's easy to point fingers and accuse someone of marrying for wealth, the reality is that Tamia may have genuinely wanted a happy family life. But when you attach yourself to flashy riches and public family scandals, your private life becomes entertainment for the masses. Whether she's stuck or will rise again depends on how wisely she's handled her finances behind the scenes. Either way, this should be a lesson. Wealth isn't always as secure as it looks on Instagram.